Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing how to import bookmarks that are currently saved in Google Chrome into Microsoft Edge. As we're all aware, Microsoft Edge is the new default web browser built into Windows 10. So if you want to transfer some of your bookmarks over from Google Chrome to Microsoft Edge, this tutorial is going to be for you guys. So just a little pointer, Microsoft Edge, all these bookmarks will be saved as favorites. So just getting that out of the way, I don't want you guys looking for bookmarks within Microsoft Edge because that would be called favorites within that respective browser. So we're going to just jump right into it here. So we're going to left click on Microsoft Edge to open it up. So left click on the little hub icon up at the top. It should be right next to the star icon, and it actually will say hub if you hover over it. It'll say favorites, reading list, history, and downloads. So you want to left click on that, and then left click on this little star. This is the favorites icon, and then it says see your favorites here. Add some or get your favorites from another browser. This is going to be for us. So we're going to left click on import favorites. And now we have the ability to select which browsers we want to import favorites from. We're going to check mark the box next to Chrome. I'm going to uncheck Internet Explorer because I do not have any favorites saved in there. And then I'm going to left click on import. So it says we are all done at this point. So if I back out of here, and then we left click on view favorite settings, and then if we selected show the favorites toolbar, and I close out of here, I can see that the bookmark I created in the other web browser is now saved in our favorites toolbar. So I can click on it right here, and we can see that my most favorite web page in the whole world just opened up. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.